All right, I'm going to try to do a quick review of problem 265 right here. So we've got our comparison mat side by side right here. Now, if we want to simplify this and figure out which side is truly bigger, first thing we're going to do is take the same amount off of both sides. I've got an x squared over here, and I've got an x squared over here. So it doesn't matter which one is bigger right now. If I'm taking the same amount off of both, then it should still be exactly the same. So now we're not even dealing with these. These do not exist. Now let's look at how that looks like when we're justifying ourselves. So we started out with these two equations. Okay, these were the original expressions. Now after I took off those x squareds, you'll notice x squared from here, it's now gone. X squared from here is now gone. What I can say over here for my explanation, that I'm taking x squared off both sides. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to take these ones that are in the negative range and move them up. Now, when you take them from the negative range and move them up to adding, we need to switch their signs. I'm just going to go ahead and do that with each of these. Okay, now that's going to change my equation slightly. And what we can see is we still have that 3x. We still have the plus 4, but we also have that plus 2. That minus and negative has turned into just plus 2. And we still have our minus x right there. Over here, got my minus 1, my minus 4. I've now got 4x's, minus 2. So I flipped from minus to plus. Okay, now this next shot, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start eliminating all my 0 pairs. So this x and negative x, they basically form 0, so they're gone. This x and this x, they're forming 0. These are gone. These two form 0. They're gone. And so that eliminates all my 0 pairs. So now over here you can see I've just got my 2x plus 6. I've got 2 x's, 6 ones. 2x minus 5, I've got 2 x's, minus 5. I did this by combining like terms or forming 0 pairs. Now we've still got one more step that we can do to simplify this. I've still got 2 x's on the left and 2 x's on the right. So I'm going to take those off. Take an x off of the left, take an x off of the right, x off of the left, and an x off of the right. And now what we can see is we've got 6 over here and negative 5 over here. Over here, 6 on the left, 5 on the right. I can say that what I did was removed 2 x's from both sides. And I can now see that the left side is indeed greater.